ಓಪನ್ ಮಾಡಿ. ಹ್ಞೂ. Hi all. Hope everyone are doing well and everything is going on good. And today's video is about one of the good means earbuds. So these earbuds are it is a new version. New version of earbuds. So I am going to unbox this. And so this one I bought it from the Flipkart. So from from around 2 weeks I was watching around the price, and today it was little bit less compared to the previous days, and so I am unboxing it. So in regular headphones, it will be like the case and the earbuds, but these earbuds having so in the case we can adjust the volume and we can so we can use the simple what is it uh, we can use a uh, we can use simple movements, means like cutting down the call, changing the music, those functions in these earbuds. And we have other earbuds also, not only this. So we have the screen type also. So I am taking these earbuds, and so I am taking in the Flipkart. So Flipkart has given me the open box delivery, and I will attach that video in this uh, in this video, so in this vlog. So this was the package, and this is open box delivery. Hope you guys like this video, and it is good. And the price wise is a little bit expensive, but I choose to buy this because last time when I took the same earbuds, and the color was not matching. So I did not get the exact color which I ordered, so I returned back it, and I plan to buy these earbuds. Like this is Pro, this is CMF Buds Pro. So these earbuds I am unboxing now. So so this how it looks. So from this we have taken these earbuds, and this earbuds is covered with the cover. And so first thing we'll remove it. But previously we were checking the first what are things we have in the box, but now it is an open box delivery. It's already I am also eager to tell you how these headphones looks, this earbud looks, and this how the earbuds. And in this we have different colors. We have black and blue and white and some other two orange. So these colors we have. So I have taken this, and there is a reason why I have taken this, and I'll let you know the reason at the last. So I have taken this white and gray in CMF Buds Pro 2. So this is Pro 2. What is the specialty in this is we can use this function. So this is used to increase the volume and change the music, and it is used to connect and disconnect the calls. So only this, but we don't have any screen visibility in this. Only this button can work on this, and other features which I can easily tell. So one so one earbuds can be used in one phone, and other earbuds can be used in other phone. That is one of the good specialty in this, or specification in this. And apart from this, this is noise cancellation, and we have an water resistant, not so high water resistant, but a little bit it can resist the water, dust resistant. And this how it looks. And charging is up to 32 to 40 hours on one single charge. We can use this. And this is earbuds, and this how it looks. So inside part is it just look like an white, but but they have mentioned it's gray, but light gray. It's not so dark, and it's light gray. uh, so top completely white, and only this button shows is color is silver color. And we don't have any logo in this. And only here it is mentioned as CMF Buds Pro. CMF Buds. So here it is mentioned as CMF Buds. That is the one. Mm, Apart from this, so the power button is inside this. So we have a power button here. So power button is inside, and this how it looks. And it's in square shape. And this is all about the buds. We'll come directly to what and all we have in the box. The first, we as soon as we open the box, we have this card manual. And this one, so I said the headphones on their buds was placed inside this. And we had a cover for this. And so we have like this. Once you open this, mm, first we'll come to this, not priority. This is earbuds cover. But this you got in this pro. But previously I've unboxed CMF buds. CMF this is that is CMF buds 2. I've unboxed it. In that you won't get this mm, get this rubbers for the buds. But in this you have got this. So we have got this one, and the charging cable, white plain charging cable. And yeah. And apart from this, we have a manual. And I could not able to see any warranty card. But in this there is no warranty card, I guess. Yeah, I could not able to see the warranty card. This is all about the buds. And the things I have covered is the first thing about the earbuds, and how was the packing. It was open box delivery, and that one. And I just said the few specifications of the earbuds. And I the working is, so this is the earbuds, and this control is used. It is a movable control, but for other buds we won't get this movable control. So we got this. This is used to increase the volume, change the music, and connect and disconnect the call. This is the one. And we have buds, earbuds, two buds. And this is all about this. And we came across the box and what are the things we have. And we had the sample buds. So in case if we lost the earbuds, means the outer rubber type, outer rubber one. So we have the two set they have given, so we can use it. And the price of this is around 3499. The price was 3499 today, but the previous usually varies from 3799 to 4000. So I got it for 3499. uh, this is all about this vlog. Hope you guys felt a bit interesting on this video. And hope thanks for watching.